Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to unbox, my favorite car, which is this, the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. So I was waiting for so long to Hot Wheels to release this casting because the other one which we unboxed, that was from Sparky. So you can't carry that in your hand everywhere, right? That is supposed to be a display piece, just like the others here. So that had a lot of details, beautiful details, but again you can't able to play with it and you can just throw away that. So this one you can be careless as much as you want, and it will, and you can hold it, and you can take it as a pocket car if you want. So okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I was really happy when Lamborghini released this car, the Sterrato, which is this is a off-roading car. This is one of the fastest off-roading car, and this is the first off-roading car, supercar, which was released by Lamborghini. So here is the casting and the initial impressions of this particular casting. It does have some scratches on the windshield, and so paint job looks really okay, and you can see some paint bubbles here. So the paint job issues are getting common nowadays. I really don't know whether I need to point that out moving forward in all my videos. So here it says Sterrato, and so the details on the front looks really nice, the headlights and the LED lights here. So this one is actually painted a little bit here, you can see. So this part is metal, on top of that it is painted black and white, and you can see the hexagon pattern here, and on top of the arrow, which is really nice. So I personally love this particular set of rims. So this is the same rim I had when I bought the Sesto Elemento back then, like a year and a half or 2 years back. So when I originally bought the 5-pack from Dubai. So and you can see, okay, there are no tail light details or any details on the rear here. So as usual, side 1, side 2, side 3. So 3 sides we have details, and 4th side we don't have any details. And it has engine details as well, and it is tinted in black, so it is, even with naked eye, it is not really easy for me to see, but it does have, which is really nice. So here is the air intake. So it does have some elevation, with the ground clearance a little bit bit higher, because this is supposed to be an off-road car, and even the real car is actually a little bit lifted off compared to the normal Huracan. So let's do a roll test now. Okay, it does roll really well. I don't see much of a wheel wobble. Maybe in front wheels there is a little wheel wobble, but this is not that noticeable. It makes a lot of noise while rolling, but still it rolls really well. So I can, so far out of the 5, including this one which you unboxed, I can say BMW is the BMW wagon is the first, and this one is the second to roll really well. Okay, so the body is fully metal, and the chassis from this part here, you can see from the fenders and all, so this part is actually fully plastic. It has some detailing to it, which is really nice. And this side skirts and everything, the fenders, front fenders and rear fenders, these are actually metal, and it's just painted on top of it in black color. I really wish they release this car in black and white, like entire body is white and this part is plastic. That would be really cool to see. Okay, and this is very light. I'm really missing one thing, I didn't say in previous 4 videos. So I bought all these cars for MRP, which is 179. I didn't spend a dime more than that. And this one is like again, either 1 in the box or 3 in the box. Depends how, it's like a lottery. So I saw like 3 in the box, in 1 box, and I saw another in 1 box there is like only 1. So that's that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.